bounty killer some mama. He get be a gunshot. And put this on the internet with the commissioner.
A few moments later.
He went out the way and tell me to stop my mother. And him go sing song and defend it. And then him went out of the way to tell me suck my mother in my DM. And if I hold him in a real life, him have to defend that.
2,000 years later.
When I go in front food in a meeting before, not that. How we are doing it now and sometimes
May I represent for one Media Fox? Media Fox, Media Fox. How the latest news them lock? Media Fox, Media Fox. Trending, nah stop. Media Fox, Media Fox. How the latest report them?
Boy, you don't know Media Fox now, yeah man. Boy, may I tell you, bounty killer. Boy, me think say you're the general, you know. Me think say you're a general, bro, but it's like I realize say you're just a girl where you just need attention, brother. Like, I don't know. Me think say you're militant, brother. Kawa, about 12 years now, Alkaline says something and it's like, bro, come on, you're a big man now, brother. You're a big man, bro. Bro, let me tell you this, brother. You see, more you go on to with Alkaline, and more your youth where you have boss, where you have, when you music, now go boss, brother. You see, when you fight youths, dog, if you remember, say, yo, the things them when you do to people, you will end up on your kids, bro. You see it? You see how much people come out and diss you up wicked. And you forgive them, especially your son, Vice Cartel. Diss you up the most. You understand? Everything. Man sing songs say you use your tongue bore so young. All of them look something there. And you still bow down and give the brother respect. See? How much people diss your bounty? And I just look at youth, One look at youth having your feelings. It show up your ways, brother. Alkaline show up your ways. You understand? You should be the bigger person and say, yo, Ray. Although Alkaline Ray and this. See? Yeah, just love that. Bro, them think they are kids thing, bro. You notice the Alkaline even a meds, yo. And you alone how much you call up the youth. You post up cartel and I go talk about sus child get after this and all of them something there. Bro, you need to, you understand, you need to forget them something here, brother. You see it? Yeah. Cause the more you attack Alkaline and more your personality show and the people are gonna find say, yo, you're a hypocrite, brother. You're a hypocrite. You see it? Cause how much people this in a dance hall and you still friend them up, you still heal them up, everything. You see it? Maybe through Alkaline thing they on a level and you not get for your hands put in a film career. Maybe at that. You see it? But people, we're gonna play a clip there because we see him forward out, you know. You see it? Yeah man, we're gonna play a clip.
Yeah, Alkaline a great artist, man, but he's a stupid boy.
So, when you hear what I say a while ago, he's a great artist, but he's a stupid boy. People, the Vendetta fans and the people them who know Alkaline. Alkaline move stupid to you. A brother where you don't even see where we move militant and certain things. Stupid boy. Where a book artist, where him usually sit on TV. We keep him own a show all over the world, new roots. That is a stupid boy. Eh? Even your artist will respect your munga. Alkaline book him. You understand? We're not supposed to look out for the youths. Alkaline and look out for the youths. I do bigger things than we wanna do. The same artists them wanna neglect. Alkaline and book them. So you are gonna say stupid. Right now you act like the more stupid person, brother, cause you get up every day, you hate, you this, you that. And Alkaline not even meds, yeah, that are the thing, you know. Alkaline for your meds and not go on so the way how you are going, you know. But you are going so, brother, it's sure. There is something about your brother where we don't know, like the way how you move, your personality, you think say yo them call the general, but it's like you not move like a general, brother. May I tell you, you not move like a general, bounty. You see it, but people, you hear what I say?
He has no humanity and he's not social.
So this is a problem now. So bounty want say Alkaline no humanity and him not social. So if this is somebody personality, bounty, you don't know nothing about Alkaline, brother. So you don't know if him social or not. You and the man never talk yet, nothing. Zine, for the youth forward out, you been hating. The youth forward out as a juvie, and if him young and he never mature, then now him mature, you still have the same energy, bro. You understand? So you are say the man not social. Bounty, I know everybody you not social either. And not everybody you talk to. You understand? And not everybody you talk, you don't talk to Vegas and Lex them. And not everybody you talk to in a dancehall, no brother. You see it? And not everybody. So if the man no social, that a theme personality. So through the man that a him, a theme personality, you're gonna make it seem like there's something wrong with that. I don't understand, bro. The more and more you talk, it's like, bro, you're not general, brother. General no move them way. Maybe through here, you might carry 2 man on the stage or in the alliance, but you not move like general, bro. And that's why I see Cartel if it this you and left the camp and the other rest of artists them want you fall out, bro. Cause the man and say, yo, you not move like a general, bro. Cause if you don't move like a general, then maybe would have still under your wings right now. I do when you left. You know as much artists left. I left one at a time. And so comes you get for bus, you know. And get one song, you know. The song goes a ruba. You understand? If you never left your side, maybe you would get that song there. Maybe that's why your son even can't bust. Because you don't realize that, bro, the same energy you put out, I go fall back on you or reach your kids, brother. You understand?
Antisocial.
Brother, antisocial now have nothing to do with somebody just being themselves, bro. You understand? A lot of people antisocial, brother. We keep themselves, them not in a everybody circle. We know say you in a everybody circle, bro. You're the Uptown Mondays, you're the round, you say the round the car, you're everybody good, brother. You understand? You're everybody good, cause you love to be seen. You can't be antisocial. Cause you want everybody praise on every day. So if you stay in a house, you feel like nobody. You understand? And Alkaline keep himself to himself. You don't want to deal with the youth, and the youth so to deal with things and try to bring him down. And you don't want the youth to their own every day. What you call that? Not fake, brother. You fake. The youth antisocial are just in that. It's a reason to. It's a reason why I'm antisocial too. You don't cause that, you know. At the fight and everything. Rather than say, yo, youth forward. Sure, and that is the thing, you know. Enough of elder artists, you know. You don't want to see the youth them rise. Because if you want to see the youth them rise, rather than no call them one side and say, yo, low youth man, him a young man, him just the same. So when me a forward out, them did that say about me. But no. You prefer this them and drive, damage them control. Remember you damage Mr. Lex career, you know. The amount of career you deal with and damage, you know, brother. You know good for the culture, you know. Because you will bring artists and then bring down them. That's so on the stay. You understand? When nobody now follow the rules, you want to try to kick them out.
Yeah, but I'm saying he's acting stupid. But good.
Boy, man, I tell you, Bounty, you act stupid, bro. Cause the brother sit down. You can't say, yo, academic sit down this on him face and the man say, yo, what you talk about stupid? What you mean? Bro, you're a big man, bro, and you feel, yo, Jano, brother, Bounty, lose half of your dog. And the reason why I lose half of your face, here you come talk them thing, brother, after so many years, bro. A little juvie. You understand? Where you could have maybe be him father. And you still a go on, so bro.
The stream is a great artist. Me have some Alkaline on me like. The men and the girl is me. Is it?
Brother, you know say Alkaline a great artist, you know. You saw you sing out that song there? You're hypocrite, brother. Yeah, hate the youth, but you listen to him song, that now make no sense, bro. And then you get up out and post the youth fly about sons and go and go support. Bro, you're hypocrite because you know say your show did a forward. And that's why you do it, dog. So you want to use the youth energy for sell your ticket them, brother. You know make no sense, dog. Cause let me tell you no Bounty, I'm sure you say you know no sense, brother. You say if you're smart, you don't say, you know what? My sister that youth, yo, I do things to the culture, I book artists, I do things, I do it for dancehall. You know what? I stop, I just put difference aside and say, yo, wait. You know, say, things that people that look on you better. Although what happened and him going on your DM, bro. But, brother, you can't go your grave with that, brother, and one good thing. Remember, say, yo, you know, get younger, brother, you get older. You understand? Because you disrespect people, you tell people about their mother too, bro. You understand? So nobody go and like say, yo, you perfect. You see it? Yeah, man. But the youth young and him a doing thing. And remember this, I'm my only young youth when I say I keep sure. And a book artist, bro. Otherwise from Popcorn, him a do it, brother. You see it? Book artist. When I say book a good amount of artists, bro. You see me? The youth a do it for the culture at such a young age. No found never do that. You see it?
Is it the subject matter? When you say like stupid, like is it?
No, I'm talking about personality.
Okay.
So to a man antisocial and certain thing, you say a man stupid. Bounty. Bro, it's like academics that say, yo, brother, you're a big man, you know. You're a big man, brother. And if you see you're going over a little youth, like, you say you're a general, but people, you what I say?
Not artistry.
I think he might look at it like, well, nobody never help me. Somebody really
Nobody never help us. Nobody never help us me.
You see it? That's the problem with Uno, you know. Yeah, nobody never help us the youth. Nobody never help us you, yes, but at the end of the day, bro, you still have up the youth. It's like, You did want somebody bust him. And that you did want. Do you are going. You see it?
And me bust myself. And me bust everybody, but nobody never help bust me. And that have nothing to do with nothing. Nobody have to help you for bust. People just do what they do and it works. Some people might have to get a little push or a little help. You understand?
But Bounty, but you will get pushed, brother. Enough man style your pattern and certain little things, bro. Where you would have said shabba them and them people, bro. You understand? You get the strength too. Nothing wrong with that.
And then if nobody help you for boss, it don't mean you don't love people.
But Bounty, you don't love people either, brother. You don't love people, bro. Yeah, most majority of the people me and them no good. So true, Alkaline stay far from people means them not rate somebody. You understand? Even the man sister says sometimes she not even see him. You don't understand, bro?
Even in hip hop, there is the antisocial type of artist.
Yeah, in a hip hop, go on every genre. Afrobeat, hip hop, R&B. Brother, them people, yo, you not even see them, they not even talk to people. I just saw the thing go, bro. Everybody just keep them energy and focus on them family, focus on them business. That not have nothing to do if somebody not deal with you. Alkaline a focus on him project, him aim in a life where him have him career. You understand? The youth now focus on the little drama and the little circle where them been trying to kick him out. You understand? So you can't beat the youth for that. Can't have done narrate him already.
Like the days of the big personality people are, it's just a different wave. Like there's an artist, Playboy Cardi, he's antisocial. I mean, someone who I know you love. People,
let me tell you this. And not even said that. Most of the time, people, you as a person where it's just you by just you. You just are easy and focus on things. So it's like you're not going to grow on everybody every day and thing and rare. You understand? So it's like yo, you just meditate, you just keep your circle small. Make your money on certain little things. You see it? Nothing wrong with that. You see me?
And be a young boy. He just keeps himself. He's a little bit antisocial.
Yeah.
You don't see that.
That's not what people love about them, no.
Here, I'm going to say no. You see, brother, Bounty, are you bad minds, youth? Yo, people, I see why the people are saying be it. So come in the comment, bro. Youth, let me tell you this, Bounty Killer. I tell you this, dog. You say if you don't stop what you do, brother. You say if you want your son boss, stop what you do, bro. Stop push that energy there, brother. You understand? Stop. You remember them tell you say your parents stop provoke the kids? Bro, stop it, brother. You have a son. You see it? You talk about that make them rate. Alkaline have him fans them, bro. And him ways make them fans them respect him. Because if Alkaline just start come out and just in the media where him fans not go on that, bro. Yeah, some are maybe like that, yes, but him fans not go on that, brother.
Okay.
He's just a nice person, but he's an introvert.
Yeah.
Antisocial. So
introverts are happening now.
But Alkaline don't rate people.
Ah, boy. Alright, let me tell you this. So if Alkaline rate people, remember saying book Munga. Zine and Munga are like your son. Alkaline could have say, yo, you know what? You know, say a bounty under you, you know what? We know about that book Munga. Bro, you are saying man rate people and the man are the only young artists. We have booked so much artists, bro. We have booked so much artists for him show them. You say man no rate nobody. How much artists you link up with? How much you and them are friend? You understand? The youth a book artists, what I mean by rate? Just because you just keep to himself, he must say no rate nobody. What? True you not post up other artists and rate? How much artists now post up other artists? How much of the young youth them a post up the elderly artists them? Zine? How much artists you post up where set the pace for you? That more I know. How much artists you post up? That me I try to show you, brother, you're hypocrite, bro. And it's like every time you come out, you have to call Alkaline name. There is something, bro, about you where I just Alkaline name alone kinda show. Same like how them say, yo, money change people, but I know money change people. It only bring out the ways. It's like Alkaline alone that bring out your true self, bro. And people are see it. You understand?
Ask him who inspired. Everybody has to have some inspiration. Unless you're a dead boy, you're dead.
Let me tell you this. Nothing wrong if somebody get inspired. But let me tell you this, bro. From Alkaline come out, you been pushing up cartel pan the man career, but the man say him inspired by people. Mean say him can inspire by a friend them. The much artists in Jamaica, the man can inspire by everybody, bro. Uno want push say you a cartel alone him inspired by. So if the youth inspired by people, what's the problem if him don't come out and say nobody? Bro, you see Uno hold on, and when we realize with full generation forwarding up with this calling one bag of artist name yo about this and that and that not have nothing, bro. At the end of the day, the man inspired by the artist them. The artists them. Cartel forward out. Yeah, artists what they were inspired by Cartel. But on a Cartel alone, every artist inspired by, bro. You have Movado. You have a lot of artists out there where you, Beanie Man, how much artists, bro? You understand? And a one person man get inspired by, brother. I wanna come up with that mentality there. You understand? As Alkaline boss, the first thing you ask, you inspired by Vice Cartel? Why a Vice Cartel alone? And that's not a problem, bro. Wanna try to put the younger generation in the Cartel hands. And I know, say, bro, there's other artists where the same young artists them look up to. You not try to push it for a Cartel alone, everybody look up to, bro. And that's how the thing work, bro. Because Cartel never bring melody in a dancehall. You understand? He never bring melody. That's the problem. You see it? Why some time, I tell you, to me, you say Bounty Killer, he have the control of dancehall. I tell you, enough of them youth and a boss. And that is why the reason why a lot of artists left the alliance. Yes, him carry them on stage and make people know them, but if they really achieve them goals, they wouldn't do that. They wouldn't reach that level there. Because if Cartel is still in an alliance, Movado them, trust me, they wouldn't reach them true potential. You see what I try to say? But here what I say?
Or you're a dead liar. You has to heard music somewhere. Something has to play in your head. And
But brother, if something not playing in Alkaline head, suppose Alkaline listen to every artist in a dancehall. What the problem? You understand? Not because somebody inspire you have to talk. You can't say, yo, just people dancehall and a whole inspire me. Like, I know one specific artist. I'm not going to like say, every artist sound the same. I know every artist sound the same, brother. I'm not try to put the inspiration upon one man in a dancehall. I know so it work, brother. And that I don't want. I don't want artists them for bow to one man. I don't think so it thing go.
then you start to hold on to that.
I feel he wanted to say Cartel early on, but the guys are finding music good.
Well,
No, Alkaline never wants to say no Cartel. None of that. Alkaline come out and attack. Them a try, because all the youth set himself and deal with him thing. Them a try put him in career to Cartel thing, because that them did not do. Everybody, when Cartel just go prison, them a try put every artist will bust in a theme thing. Which I know Cartel bring melody to dancehall. And Movado bring the Sing J thing. And if you check it, a lot of artists singing all Sing J style. So Movado part of the generation too. And a Cartel alone, brother. You understand? Remember say Movado make Cartel start Sing J, you know. You see it? So if the youth inspire, you can inspire by Movado to other artists. Why are one specific artist and want the artist them inspired by? I don't understand that. When since?
Try to beat the butt, you know, like,
you say you don't want to say because, but don't act like there is not.
Brother, let me tell you this. The youth now act like it's not, brother. You have to stop it. You have to stop it, bro. You see it? Stop this bowing mentality, brother. Every time when you go up on a platform and you call, if Uno by yourself want to call the next artist name, say you are this artist, fine, nothing wrong with that. But don't try to belittle or try to diss a youth because him not call the person who inspire him. That now make no sense, brother. You understand? You can't force a youth what he say. You see it? All if a Cartel inspire you, the youth now have to forward out and say it. That's what no one do. You see me? That's the problem. Yes, people. So, Jano, Bounty Killer, brother, lose off of you, bro. You now move like a general, brother. But you hear me say, people.
You understand? Yeah.
I mean, have you and him ever had any conversation?
No.
Not one.
And we're not going to have none.
But I just saw a thing go. I know everybody have to like everybody, you know. You understand? And everybody have to like everybody. And everybody have to deal everybody. I just say thing go. You see me, Alkaline have to deal you and you have to deal Alkaline. You understand? Alkaline don't need you and you don't need Alkaline. So I saw the thing go.
He said something in music that is forbidden to the culture. And when we...
But brother, Bounty, you know me know you're a hypocrite, brother. Cartel sing, how much artists sing about thing about forbidden to the culture? You never hold them, so you never try to bring down them for a long while and I try to diss them and all of them because something there, bro. You are bring up something where majority of the artists them do it. You see me? Majority of the, even Massacre where you rate do it too, brother. You see it? Yeah. Everybody do it, bro. I tell you, I just a dancer set, you see me? If we did just, have a good mind, a lot of artists would have reached far, you see it? But here, I say.
And when we disagree and dismiss it, he went out the way and tell me to stop my mother. Yeah, he said the body wash and I dismiss that.
Brother, we beat Alkaline for that. See, now everything. About 12 years now, we still depend on this Lulu thing. On a mindset, that's what I try to tell you about, on a mindset. The youth move on from that years ago. And the mind still depend. It's showing say you're no militant. At that no mind depend. The youth fly past that long time and still depend it. You understand? And the reason why Alkaline go in your DM, bro, and text you that, provoke the youth, bro. You're a big man, brother. You shouldn't even have pay Alkaline no mind. And if you see you still after so much years, 12 years, you still a talk about the youth, you still a say one bag of thing and you know like a bone of the youth. And you call yourself the general. You not move like a general, brother. You not move like a general. And that's the problem. It's like if you have a one button for press with destroy the youth, you do it long time, bro. You're a big man, bro, and you're in a feelings for so much years. Come on, brother. That's why nobody couldn't agree. That's why the alliance thing mash up.
And him go sing song and defend it. And then we despise him.
Brother, much artists diss you and sing song and defend certain little things. Man a diss you up wicked. Cartel a diss you up wicked. Enough people a diss you, bro. All family did a diss you, call you goated and all of them look something. Come on, bro. You never have strength. A little youth you have strength for. You understand? Little youth. When them big money are rare, you not give them the same energy, bro. It show you, brother, you're weak. You understand? You only go after the weak person them. Although Alkaline are weak, but Alkaline even have meds, brother. You understand? Yeah. And true academics rate Alkaline, that's why I'm even ask you, bro. But the man say, yo, brother, you're a big man, brother. All of these feelings I go.
Then he went out of the way to tell me something my mother and my DM. And I really? Hold him in a real life, him have to defend that.
Bounty killer, let me tell you this, bro. You're a big man, bro. And you put threat to Alkaline. But anyway, you buck him and hold him. Brother, wrong decision you make. I tell you, wrong decision you make by yourself, bro. And this is the thing, people. Brother, you push badness. I hope you alone did it if you are going to do something. Not care nobody gather nothing. You understand? Because, bro, it shows you say, yo, you're not a general, bro. The way you push. Me think you say unity, brother. But you are going to see Alkaline after so many years. You are going to see Alkaline and diss him. And him have to defend that and certain thing, bro. Come on, brother, man. Lose half of you for that, dog. I tell you. The woman thing. Lose half of you that for you, bro. You understand? Because you know that now go happen, brother. You see it? But anyway, you see. Remember say you're the man do Trinidad show, you know. Zine, I know you must see him backstage or something. So, bro, you just a hype up off a ego, bro. Like, I don't know what's so grieve with this one youth with you, like. You see what I'm trying to say? So, bro, Bounty, brother, find something else, brother. Because where you go with this, bro, I don't think nobody will really look on you and respect the way you move that. Move like a general, bro. You see me?
Yeah.
He sent you a DM?
Yeah. Me diss him on my timeline and him going on my DM and tell me something, man.
Brother, you know, people, you hear him voice sound? Man sound like them little boy there, you know, where you trouble every day. Brother, you who cause it by yourself, bro. You who cause it. You're not showing youth respect, so the youth not going to show you the respect. So why, if you kick up the youth and you just there, take the kick them? You grieve the youth, bro. You've been picking on the youth. I say one bag of thing. And really, just true, you can't get to put your hands in them career and certain things. Yeah, man.
Everybody know what that. All our fans him know. Every man have to stand up to them.
Even Vado was decent. I don't know if it's still, but decent at a point. You know, I guess if there was no relationship there before.
Haven't I?
You see it? I tell you, bro, Bounty in them feelings. You see it? Bounty in them feelings, people.
Hey, man. God go with him.
Yeah, man, gotta go with Alkaline, bro. You know see what I go on? You see youth career. You see youth to keep him show all over the world. You understand? Youth to keep him own a show. All over the world, I book artists and make artists fall upon him platform. Gotta bless the youth. You understand? And maybe if you ease up half of the youth career and think, maybe your son could have got forward and bust the real way. You understand? Because sometimes I seem like on the hold down youths out there, you know. Zine with them career, you know. I see him so the same energy I go on with fool the youths and understand. You see it?
Other artists though, for the other younger artists, yeah. Whether it's Masika or whatever, they show you tremendous love.
Those are sensible kids.
You see it? Let me tell you why him say Masika them are sensible kids. You see, because Masika them weak and them not really have them not a leadership with themselves. That are the problem. Them artists they bow to him. You understand? That are the problem. Them bow to him. Them can control. Him can control them artists and tell them what to do. That's why he must say them kids are sensible kids. You see, because when Masika forward up, him never perfect either. You see, you can control them youth there. And that's why them youth they even reach too far. Them don't know how to do certain things. Them not create them own fan base. Them not do no big damage. You see me? Because man like Uno steer the youth them in something. You see, that are the problem.
They are the one who's smart. They will always gonna get ahead.
Brother, wait, you talk about get ahead. I'll know Masika no pass Alkaline, bro. Masika no pass Alkaline, I'll know. What Masika do? What kind of damage him do? Drop some little hot song and then boom boom people forget about that. The man signed to a label and only a marketing in Jamaica. That not make no sense, brother. You see it? That not make no sense. Alkaline are the way bigger than majority of the young generation them.
Some people gonna have glitches and bumps along the way. Because you see, when you're ungrateful, you can't be great.
Bounty, don't talk about ungrateful, brother. You are one of the biggest ungrateful artists in a dancehall, bro. We see that, brother. We see that. The alliance thing get mashed up because of your ways. And see, you are talk about ungrateful. You are ungrateful right now. Because you are saying, oh, you listen to youth song and ray, but you know, rate. I'll know till what, 12 years, you still a carry a vengeance for your little youth, you know. A little youth, dog, and you not even realize. You're a big man, brother. You not move like a general, bro. The way you move, and that's a general move, brother. General no meds, little youth. Them more say, alright, a little youth that him a do him thing. You understand? But you still know your feelings after so much years, bro. I don't know how you do it as a big man. I tell you.
Only grateful people can be great. No ungrateful girl and boy can't have great. Here.
Brother, I don't know what you mean, you know. Alkaline a great artist, he do great moves in the industry than majority of the artists them in it. You understand? So I don't know what you talk about, bro. I don't know what you talk about. You see me? And just because you know they carry up a couple artists. Cause right now, Bounty, let me tell you this, Bounty, if you never bust enough artists, nobody wouldn't even pay no mind, bro. And that's why them call you general. You see me? But I never you carry the artists them to the goal where them want to reach. You call them on the stage and certain things here for people know them and thing. But at the end of the day, you know, you make them reach. Them have to diss you and left and around you for propel them career. Remember that. You see it? So Alkaline don't really need your energy, bro. You have all K-Queen. Well, K-Queen twins, the twins them around you. I know them can't reach nowhere, brother. I had they around you for years. And when the youth say you're really do him own a thing, the youth get one little song where we are going with that thing with the dancing and thing, bro. Cause people like uno whole long generation tell generation what you do. And then when you pre it in a funo days, uno did that do the same thing for reach where uno did too. People never like uno certain things. But when the young generation forward now, uno push the same energy and the same fight where uno get back then. No sense, brother.
Ungrateful. You don't have no greatness about you, so you're ungrateful.
But you said the man a great artist, brother. So you say man ungrateful. We're Alkaline ungrateful for now. Tell me. Are you ungrateful, brother? Right now you're talking anything you know say ungrateful words that come out of your mouth. Yeah, man. Ungrateful words. You say the youth have good song, but you say yo, Ray no. Just because the youth now chit chat with you and certain things, bro. You understand? If I saw you go just carry it in your grave, brother.
Who does? No ungrateful people can be grateful.
A lie you tell, brother. Cause remember you ungrateful, you know, and the people them still call you general, you know. You ungrateful, you know. How much people Footer Hype, Cartel, Idonia, how much people are you follow? Mr. Vegas, Lex them, how much artists? Tommy Lee, the whole, how much artists now you have to come fight? Are you ungrateful, brother? You ungrateful?
An apology suffice.
What?
If he came around and said, listen, I was young, I was wrong.
No, he's not gonna apologize. I mean, no one nobody apologize.
Then why your problem then? If Alkaline not apologize, why your problem? Bro, me don't know, that's what me know, brother. You know Bounty. Lose our fire, dog. I can't believe say a big man make a little youth. Make a youth to him. And make him go in and feeling. So make all academics I wonder what go on to the man and whether brother you do the youth. The youth will not even talk much less. Bounty fan Cartel come out. You been a call up a youth name, you post all flyer for son say you go support. Bro, there is something bro boy you with Alkaline. Make the world a see boy you bro. You're hypocrite. You're ungrateful. Everything in a one brother. And it's sure. You as the general what them say. Shouldn't even have pre and a meds Alkaline, bro. You shouldn't even have think about all of them like something there, dog. Bygones be bygones. That was years ago, bro. And you still have that. It shows you, bro, people with their mindset there, may I tell you, it's not a good energy. Not a good energy, bro. May I tell you. And that alone will make people change their mind against you, bro. Because they might look for better from you as a general. But no, that's how you think go.
It done what it done. What you did, it can't rub out.
Then that's how it go, brother. And that's how it go. Alkaline stand on him words. You see me? You have to do what you do. You see it? But I feel like say you just want Alkaline for just far around and certain things. Bro, come on, bro. Cartel diss you up the wickedest way in a dancehall, brother. And you forgive him, you deal with him, you ray, bro. The man diss you up the wickedest. Me not think Alkaline diss you yet. Cartel diss you, brother. Wicked. Diss you up wicked, bro. Even one time I'll Ninja Man diss you. You understand? I call you say yo Bounty tissue and one bag of thing, bro. Come on, brother. It's true you say yo, bro. You know no general mentality, bro. Because for you a pick on a little youth than the big man them who did that this yo. show you, bro. You go for the weak, you go for the more, where they call it, a person where even a meds in a way are more weaker, like younger person, bro. It's like, you see me? You supposed to pray, say, yo, bygone be bygone. See? You not to forget where a man do, but you can't forgive, bro. You understand? Yeah. Whatever happen, put that aside. You see man talk about you. You all know you're not the unity, brother. Now you post a man thing and talk about you know like a bone and bro, Alkaline not there nothing yet. Alkaline not there nothing yet, bro. I want little Jamaican anthem thing. Something other thing get you in. And me not think of that get you in your feelings, bro. There's more to this, brother. More to this, dog. Me not think of that, brother. The amount of artists gets that, brother, and then still rare with people. Come on, bro. Something more about it, brother. A little young Alkaline can't make your feelings over just that, bro. For so much years.
And when you come and say nice words, it's still not about nothing. So I'm not take apology.
That's the only artist I think currently you don't.
People, let me tell you, man. You see, Bounty, to me, a Bounty a hold on all him son career. May I tell you? Yeah, man. Bounty a hold on him all him son career, man. You see, more him bring that energy to Alkaline, and more him son that get the highlight. May I tell you? You saw him carry him son on stage, cartel like his son and like everything, but nobody not pre. Yeah, man, the same energy where you put out to youths, I see him thing I fall by your kids, bro. And you not understand, bro. I study energy force of the world work. You understand? That are the thing. And for you, I carry a vengeance here, young look youth, so brother. Where they even meds you. Look at you, they even meds you, bro. You understand? The youth not even meds you. You notice you get that in a DM and that's it. One DM, man, send one DM, bro. Cause all of your misery and all of them look at something there. You see it? You in your feel, bro. You're a big man, bro. You can't make one man know your feelings, so brother. You think you're the mature. You're not material now, bro. You're not mature. I don't know. You look like the feminine side of you. Like when it comes to Alkaline, it's like it show more with your emotions, bro. You understand? Man up now, Bounty, bro. Man up now, brother. A years now, bro. You carry on this. What so? Alkaline just send one little thing. And the man a ball. Ray, this, that. And look, cartel this up the wickedest way in a dancehall. The wickedest way. Much song. You use your tongue bore so young. All of them look at something the way man drop. Tommy Lee, Goated. All of them look at something there. But me never see a whole no grudge with them, man. Me never see you still heal them up. You still. And what so? What? Because you never have a hands in the youth career? Or what? What happened? You need to come tell the people them what really are the problem, Bounty. Yeah, man, you need to tell them. You see, you need to tell them. But people, you don't know in a media facts, you know. Yeah, man. Big up everybody. Big up all of my fans. You see me? That is it.